What if you never had to worry about getting enough sleep? Well, for some animals, that's reality. Let's dive into 5 fascinating creatures that skip the snooze button. First up, we have the bullfrog. Scientists found that these amphibians stay active 24/7, even when they're resting. Talk about a night owl. Next, meet the dolphin. These clever mammals rest one half of their brain at a time, so they're always alert. Perfect for dodging predators. Third on the list, the alpine swift. This bird can fly for months without landing, catching Z's mid-flight. That's some serious multitasking. Fourth, the jellyfish. They don't have brains, so they don't really sleep. Instead, they enter a low-energy state. Zen mode activated. Finally, the bull shark. These fierce fish keep swimming constantly to breathe, never truly stopping to sleep. Now, that's dedication. So next time you're feeling sleepy, just remember, some animals never even get a nap. Wild, right?